Advantages of using wallpaper for your house. Dear friends, when you've made the decision to decorate, one of the first things you will start thinking about is whether to paint your walls or apply wallpaper. You may have new soft furnishings, furniture and flooring, and having the right backdrop will set the scene, completing interiors. If you're opting to just redecorate rather than to totally transform your space, using wallpaper has the ability to instantly change the mood and style of a room. A room that feels too big can instantly feel warmer and cozier by hanging dark, luxurious wallpaper, or if you have a small room, which you need to make feel bigger and lighter, a neutral or metallic wallpaper will brighten a space and add interest. The perception of installing wallpaper is that it's very difficult. However, with new innovations this is no longer the case. Unlike traditional wallpapers printed onto paper, special wall coverings are printed onto a non-woven base, which means it's a paste-the-wall application, enabling the wallpaper to be hung and stripped with ease. This revolutionary innovation makes decorating simple and takes a lot less time. Here are just a few advantages of using wallpaper. Wallpaper is durable and can last over 15 years, making it very cost-effective. When wallpaper has been hung properly, it can last 3 times longer than paint. If you have imperfect walls, high-quality wallpaper can hide surface imperfections. Paint comes in a huge range of colors, however there is a limited spectrum of finishes, either matte or gloss. Wallpaper comes in a variety of designs with a large selection of textures and effects: beads, flock, metallic, emboss and other textures. Wallpaper isn't messy to apply, and there is no risk of splatters to any of your furniture or flooring. If you have children or pets, most wallpapers are wipe clean or washable, if any marks appear on walls. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.